In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Sonnet as writing partner. By the end, you'll know how to craft a clear prompt, pick the right model, and get a polished response you can build on. First, we'll make a prompt. Open a fresh chat and think about what you want Claude to write. The key is to be specific about the content, the tone, and the format you want. For example, let's say you want to learn how weather systems work, and you prefer a simple, beginner-friendly explanation. You could ask for a step-by-step explanation written as smooth, connected paragraphs, rather than as an infographic or bullet points. Tell Claude to start from how the sun heats the earth, then walk through evaporation, cloud formation, air movement, and how rain or other kinds of weather happen. Ask it to keep the language clear and easy to follow, and to include a simple real-life example if it helps. This kind of prompt gives Claude a clear outline and style to follow, which typically leads to a more useful answer on the first try. When you write your prompt, think of it like giving directions to a helpful collaborator. Say what you need, how you want it structured, and what level of detail is right for you. Next, change the model to Sonnet 4.6. In the model selector, choose Sonnet 4.6 so Claude uses the version designed for strong reasoning and natural, fluent writing. This setting helps it follow your instructions closely, connect ideas smoothly, and keep explanations coherent from start to finish. If you're aiming for clear, readable prose that still handles concepts step by step, Sonnet 4.6 is an excellent fit. Double-check the selector before you continue so the response you get reflects the capabilities you're expecting. Finally, click Submit. Claude will process your prompt and generate the explanation. Give it a moment to think through the steps you outlined and present them in the paragraph format you requested. As you read, notice whether it starts with the sun heating the earth, moves into evaporation and cloud formation, explains how air moves, and then ties it all together with how rain and other weather forms. If your original prompt was clear, you should see that structure reflected in the result, often with a straightforward example that grounds the explanation in everyday experience. That's it. With a focused prompt, the Sonnet 4.6 model selected, and a simple submit, you've set up Claude as a capable writing partner that produces clear, well-structured answers you can trust and reuse.